Hello, Nick. I'm so inspired to hear and see you, all colleagues, and allies for the future. Sometimes in life, I guess you all know the moments you suddenly realize that there's the momentum for change. And you know that you have to carry your responsibility, not only to speak in one or two occasions or just to say I agree or put the thumbs up in the social media, as important as that is. But you know you have to try your utmost to create alliance like ours for the supergrid, green supergrid initiative is. And you know that by pushing and being inspired and knowing that you are in the right side of the history, you actually can make the change happen. And as we've heard, Nick Dunlop personally is a very good example of that kind of an inspiring fight, not only with this supergrid, but with the climate parliament and combating the nuclear armament in the history. And he's a great inspiration, I think, showing that you never dream too big. Because small dreams do not inspire people. They do not get us action revived and full of action for greater and better future. But big things do. And is there any bigger and better than thinking and realizing that we have one planet? Our joint challenge is the climate change and environmental sustainability. And we live in the same planet. And we have the one sun. And yes, indeed, we need to create a common super and then gradually a smart grid that joins the people, ensures everybody's fair share of renewable energy, benefits the sun that is shining for us 24 hours every day at some part of the world. Securing clean energy, energy security, and affordability for those ones that need it so desperately. And as we've heard, and I'm not going to go in details because you are very good masters of it, and if you are not, please go and study the Green Grid Initiative, then you will be, that this is doable. It is doable with very actually small amount of the land coverage to create locally and globally sustainable renewable energy, mainly by solar, but joining there the wind energy and wave energy also. And yes, by the grids we can share it, and only by that we can ensure the stability of production of renewables and the possibility to change our energy production in large scale on this. And yes, this is economically affordable and possible because of the prices. And yes, this is technically possible. And yes, this is a good investment. And yes, this is a yesable proposal. Now the only thing is to get all the other people and parliamentarians and ministers and heads of the government as excited as we are about this possibility. And then, dear friends, just do it. Just let's get together. Let's believe. And nowadays, when we are not next to each other, let's join the hands virtually and get other people on board, other politicians, NGOs, young people, businesses, financial sector. And let's show that the power is here, the possibility is here, the future is here. Now it only needs the commitment and decision of our world leaders. And yes, you can do it, we can do it, and hopefully I can do it in very small scale with your help. Great to be with you and looking forward the next times to meet you in person or virtually.
Okay, well, many thanks, Sirpa, for those inspiring words. What a great way to end the meeting. And I can only say that no one is